Hi, I'm Dev Shira, and this is my friend Pranav Chirela. We both study in IVDP Year 2 of JIRS, and today we are going to discuss about Affiliates.
Most annual days are just about dance performances, music performances. But what do we have unique here at JIRS?
This year at JRS, we're going to integrate the cultural aspect of India and also creativity through our central theme of Vibrant India.
It aligns very well also as India is in a transition phase where we are focusing more on modernization and we are moving into advanced technology. But at the same time, it is very essential for us to remember our roots.
Yeah, speaking of progress, I think the Vigyan is the perfect start to this event because we're going to showcase whatever we learned. The students are going to really interact with their parents and show how whatever they've learned throughout the year.
Also, alongside Vigyan, Shadanga, the art exhibition. I'm a huge fan of art here at JIRS because it opens room for ambiguity and the artwork might be created with one purpose but might be interpreted with some other purpose, which plays a very vital role as culture shapes our thinking process.
And speaking of this thinking process and culture shaping it, I think the cultural procession is an amazing thing because we're really going to showcase how the various cultures of India, differing from state to state, it's really going to showcase our culture and heritage.
I'm really excited about the cultural procession especially because it is a event fully planned, executed. Every single bit of it is student led, which is very interesting.
Speaking of the student led and be having the spotlight on students, we can shift gears towards the award ceremony. The award ceremony is going to showcase and acknowledge the students who have excelled, the students who have done something extraordinary, something more than just their peers. And it's also a moment where both the teachers and also the parents are going to feel pride for the hard work that the students have put in.
Definitely, it's a proud moment for the parents, for the teachers, but more than them, I think it's a proud moment for the students themselves. As here at JIRS, learning is not a static process, it is a dynamic process. We learn how to give it back to the society. We learn how to acknowledge the efforts of the society. Our students will have exhibitions and stalls where they are going to sell amazing decoratives, and all the profit generated through it will be going to charity.
And speaking of society, the society always enjoys a good music show. And cultural music is very, very popular amongst everyone here. And this showing these music is really going to reflect our culture and heritage.
I agree, music is very essential in when you are showcasing culture. But for me, Nrityanjali, the dance performances are going to be the show stealers when students will showcase different dance forms of Indian cultures. I think that's going to steal the show.
More than the dance performances, I think the flash mob is better because it really reflects the enthusiasm, the excitement that the students have experienced throughout the year.
Well, like I mentioned, it's not just about dance or music. It's also about Ashmita, a very insightful and very creative play, which is again directed by the students themselves. And we are going to pay a tribute to the Indian Army as they are the reason, those armed forces on the border, they are the reason why today we have a happy life with peace and harmony.
And aside from the tribute to the military, the Ramayana is really going to show us and teach us a lot of values that are integral for becoming successful, but at the same time staying grounded.
Also, this full day is going to be packed of events. But are you guys worried about the hunger? Because I'm someone who's always striving to look for food. But here at JIRS, you are all taken care of. We know how to serve you very well. It all starts with refreshments, snacks, and when it gets to the lunch part, you will be going crazy. We have food from all across the India, ranging from Litti Chokha from Bihar.
And live dosa from Udupi.
Told you, I'm a food expert. It's not Udupi, it's Udupi. And the rest, we'll leave it as a surprise to you all.